Welcome back, rail fans. This is our 8th installment of our trip to La Plata. We're going to have a couple of trains here and then some bonus footage from the depot in, as well as some drone shots we took in St. Louis and Paducah on our return trips. This first train that we've got in this video, this is Q-LAC NWH. It is guaranteed intermodal from Hobart Yard in Los Angeles, headed to Chicago for the CSX yard. And this will be our last freight train in La Plata. This is Z-LPK-WSP. It is a short USPS LTL intermodal from Logistics Park in Gardner, Kansas to Willow Springs, Illinois. After this train, we had caught the Amtrak Southwest Chief headed to Chicago, which was the reason for our entire trip. My dad was on that train, and we made a video of just that train alone. That one was actually the first one we put up, and I didn't really count that as part of these 8 installments, so we really got 9 videos from the La Plata area. So this train's going to roll by, and then we will get into that bonus footage that we talked about. And the first portion of this bonus footage is from the hallway corridor at the depot inn. This is the corridor that goes down in between all of the rooms. In between each set of rooms, they have display cases with crew uniforms, different pieces of lanterns, lighting, crew paperwork. As we can see here, we've got some model train sets. There are tools that were used on the railroad. A lot of that's coming up here. Stock certificates from various railroad corporations, fallen flags. Just a lot of really neat stuff. Signage. This is the front lobby area. It has all kinds of signage, posters on the wall, books that you can read about trains. They have an ATCS screen in the lobby. Large model train sets over here. And now we are in St. Louis. In St. Louis, they have a large train yard right on the river. This is actually the East St. Louis side. Took the drone up. There is a park there where you can look across over to the arch. You can't fly drones within that park, but we did see the rail line, and so we decided to move just down the road and take some drone footage of all of that. And this is in Paducah. There is a scrap yard in Paducah, a metal scrapping operation where there are tons of old fallen flag locomotives. We've got some Southern Pacifics out there. We saw a Burlington Northern. There's a Norfolk Southern slug set, looks like there. Some old Union Pacific locomotives. Lots of other things out there mixed in. An old gray CSX, one of the original CSX paint schemes when it was all grayed out. Just a lot of neat things to see. Wish we could have got the drone over there closer. I had actually just crashed the drone prior to this and suspected I might have a cracked propeller, so I was afraid to take it out over that field. Definitely didn't want to lose it in there. So hope you enjoyed this bonus shot as well. Thanks for watching all these videos, and see you later. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the thumbs up below to give us a like. Also, please click on the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen to get a subscription to the channel. And send us a comment. Really enjoy reading all your comments, and I try to respond to each one of them. Thanks, and have a nice day.